What's up, y'all? It's your girl Asia, and I'm back with another video. So as you can see from the title, I'm finally doing this video on my customization and installation of this bomb braided wig that I got. I know y'all saw in the beginning how bomb it was. Y'all, it looks so good. Like I just went to the salon to get my braids. But anyways, let me get into this customization. So I have it on my wig head here. I haven't gotten a name for her yet, so I'll let y'all know when I do though. Or you could just drop in the comments what you guys think that I should name her. But yeah, anyways, I'm just going through and cutting the baby hairs in the front, making sure they're really short. Like I said in the last video, this wig came with so-called baby hairs that were stupid long. Like, you're right, they're adult hairs. So in the back, I just cut them down super short. I cut it all off. But I'm not really worried about the back because I would never wear this wig up in a ponytail or anything like that. So yeah, I just go around the perimeter and cut off all those super long hairs, and then I'm gonna go in and style it. Alright, so we're ready to style it. I'm going to move the braids out of the way, and then I'm just going to take my comb and just comb it out and make sure it's ready to be plucked. Y'all don't judge my comb. I know there's a whole gap missing. I don't want to talk about it. But anyways, I'm going to split the baby hairs in half long ways, and then I'm going to go in the middle and thin it out. So you see me plucking in between the part that I just made, and I'm gonna do that throughout the whole perimeter just to thin it out. I want it pretty thin, so that's why I cut it super short, and then I'm just gonna thin it out because, you know, in braids not a lot of people have a lot of baby hairs, so I want it to look as realistic as possible. So yeah, I'm just gonna do that the whole perimeter. Okay, so here's the finished product. As you can see, it's significantly thinner than when I started. And then, like I said, I am not going to worry about the back because I'm not wearing this wig up. But as you can see, it does not look bad put up if you do put in the time to do something with the hair in the back. But yeah, so now I'm going to take my foaming lotion and put it all over so I can start to style the baby hairs. I started off using my comb, but I realized that I should probably use my edge brush. So I'm going to go get that real quick, and I'm actually going to just swoop the hairs in the left and right direction of the middle part. So I don't want them like a specific way, I just don't want them straight down on my forehead, if that makes any sense. So I'm just swooping them so they can get out of the way and they can, you know, just be curved upwards, if that makes any sense. You'll see what I'm doing. Yeah, so here's the finished look. I just have them swooped out of the way, and then I'm gonna take my scarf and put it around her so they can lay down, and I'm gonna let this sit for about 5 to 10 minutes or so. Alright, so it's been about 5 minutes, and I'm just gonna take out the scarf. This is what she's looking like. Like I said, I just wanted to lay them down. And then I'm going to actually take a little bit of foundation and put it on the end of my comb just to get a little bit in between that middle part where I plan on wearing the hair, just to make it look a little bit more realistic. In the last video, I already went underneath the lace and put my foundation on the front of the lace there. So that's why it already looks pretty brown, I guess. So yeah, I'm just trying to make it look as realistic as possible. And now let's get into the install. So I got my wig cap, you know what time it is, and here is what the wig is looking like. So yeah, lace already tinted and baby hair is kind of swooped out of the way. So let's put her on, and as you guys can see, it already looks so realistic, guys. I haven't even glued anything down. I just put it on just to show you guys what it's looking like, and it looks good. Let me fix my wig cap and all that stuff so you can see what I'm talking about. So my only complaint is that if I wanted to wear this glueless, these sides would not be working with me, you know what I'm saying? They are not wanting to stay down if I'm wearing them glueless. So I am going to add some got to be just so I can get everything laying flat. But this is how she looks glueless. And if I wanted to wear it like this, then I would just keep my hair in the front so you guys couldn't see the sides. I told you guys this before, but the hair comes about a little past mid-back on me, so I like the length a lot, and this is the shortest length they have actually. And then yeah, the parts are throughout, so there's no need to hide anything. But yeah, I'm going to take my got to be, just spray it around the perimeter of my hair and put a scarf on just to get it sticking and laying flat to my head, and then I'll show you guys what it's looking like after. Alright, so here's what she's looking like, nice and stuck. So I'm going to go through and just brush out these baby hairs because I don't want them sticking to my forehead like that because they look a mess. But let me remove any excess got on my forehead. Just taking some alcohol on a cloth pad and rubbing off any excess. And then I'm going to go in with my brush and make sure that I don't look a mess. So yeah. I think in the future I'll probably end up removing a little bit more of the baby hair because I want sort of a minimalist look, and I don't know if I like this much baby hair, if that makes sense. It looks good in the front, but I think I'll take some off on the sides later on. But yeah, anyways, as you can see, these parts are life, sis. It's the parts for me, sis. It's the braids for me, sis. It looks so good, guys. Here is what the back is looking like. Like I said, the parts go throughout. They're realistic. And I'm gonna put just half of it up so you guys can see like a glimpse of the styles I can do with this wig. And yeah, I love it, guys. So yeah, the rest of this video will be just me looking in the camera at how bomb this wig is, you guys. I think I paid about $200 to $250. I can't really remember. Like I said, it's from Fabulosity Hair. I got the shortest length they have in this Davina unit, and I got a large size cap, even though I should have got an extra large looking back. But yeah, guys, I love it and I highly recommend it. But thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Tell me what else you would like to see on my channel, and thank you so much for your support. Bye, guys.